What can be done with artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence, AI, is a very powerful technology. AI means creating machines or computers that can do tasks that usually need human intelligence. These tasks include understanding language, recognizing pictures, solving problems, and making decisions. In today's world, AI is changing many things. It is helping people in many ways. In this article, we will talk about what can be done with AI and how it can improve our lives. 1. AI helps in healthcare. One of the most important areas where AI is used is in healthcare. AI is helping doctors and nurses to treat patients better. For example, AI can help doctors to find diseases by looking at X-rays, MRIs, and other medical pictures. It can see things that the human eye might miss. AI can also predict if someone might get sick in the future, which helps doctors give early treatment. AI is also used in medicine creation. It helps scientists develop new medicines faster. It can look at a lot of information and suggest which medicines might work. This saves time and helps people get better treatment. Second, AI in education. Another area where AI is used is education. AI helps teachers create personalized learning experiences for students. For example, AI can help find what a student needs to learn and suggest lessons or activities. This way, every student can learn at their own pace. AI also makes it easier to create online lessons, and many apps use AI to teach languages or other subjects. Some schools use AI to help students with disabilities. AI can change the way students learn to make it easier for them. For example, if a student has trouble reading, AI can help by reading the text aloud. Third, AI in business. AI is also used in business. Many companies use AI to make work easier and faster. For example, AI helps companies look at customer data and find out what customers like. This helps businesses give customers better products and services. Amazon is a good example. It uses AI to recommend products based on what customers have bought in the past. AI is also used in customer service. Many businesses use AI-powered chatbots to talk to customers. These chatbots can answer questions, help people buy products, or solve problems. This makes it easier for people to get help anytime they need it. Fourth, AI in transportation. AI is also changing how we travel. For example, self-driving cars use AI to drive without a person inside. These cars use sensors, cameras, and AI to understand the road, avoid obstacles, and make decisions. They can drive safely without human help. In addition, AI is used to manage traffic. AI can look at traffic patterns in a city and change the traffic lights to make traffic flow better. This helps reduce traffic jams and makes travel faster. Fifth, AI in entertainment. AI is also important in the entertainment industry. For example, many video games use AI to make characters smarter. These characters can act differently based on what the player does. This makes the game more interesting and challenging. In music, AI can create new songs or help artists make music. For example, AI can help create melodies or suggest new music ideas. Music apps like Spotify use AI to recommend songs based on what people listen to. In movies, AI helps make special effects. It can help create scenes that look real, even if they are imaginary. This makes movies more exciting to watch. Sixth, AI in home assistance. Many people now use AI in their homes. Smart devices like smart speakers and smart lights use AI. For example, you can talk to your smart speaker and it will play music, set a timer, or even control your lights. AI helps these devices understand your voice and do what you ask. AI is also used in home security. Smart cameras and alarms can use AI to recognize faces and detect unusual movements. This helps keep homes safe. 7. AI in agriculture. AI is even used in farming. It can help farmers grow crops more efficiently. For example, AI can look at pictures of plants and detect if they are sick. This helps farmers treat problems early before they spread. AI can also help farmers decide the best time to plant crops or water their plants. This makes farming easier and helps produce more food. 8. AI in environment protection. AI is helping protect the environment as well. It can analyze data to help understand climate change. AI can predict the weather and tell us when natural disasters, like floods or hurricanes, might happen. This gives people time to prepare and stay safe. AI is also used to reduce pollution. It can help find ways to reduce waste and make products that are better for the planet. AI can help cities recycle more efficiently, which reduces trash and saves resources. Ninth, AI in sports. In sports, AI is used to improve training and performance. Athletes use AI to analyze their movements and improve their skills. AI can also predict the outcome of games by looking at players' data. This helps coaches make better decisions. 10. The future of AI. Our AI is still developing. In the future, AI could do even more amazing things. For example, AI could help create clean energy or help astronauts live on other planets. As technology improves, AI will become even more important in our daily lives. Challenges of AI. While AI is very helpful, it also has some problems. One problem is job loss. AI can do some jobs better than humans, which means some people may lose their jobs. However, AI can also create new jobs, especially in technology and research. Another problem is that AI can be used in bad ways. For example, AI can be used to make deepfake videos, which are fake videos that look real. These can cause problems if people believe false information. It is important that AI is used responsibly. Conclusion. In conclusion, AI is changing many things in the world today. From healthcare to education, business to entertainment, AI is making life easier and better. It helps people do their jobs faster and smarter. While there are some challenges, the future of AI is very bright. As we continue to develop this technology, AI will help solve many problems and improve life for everyone.